Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Udinoha binti Azhar and my metric number is 2025, 203 and 904 and I am the leader of Group 5.
My name is Tempioniani bin Tengku Azamuddin. My number metric is 2025, 2071, 58.
My name is Nafazi binti Ismail and my metric number is 2025, 800772.
My name is Mat112 Azhar. My metric number is 2025, 297 392.
Question 1. Farida wants to put Rm 16,000 ringgit into a fixed deposit account for 5 years. She has two options. Option 1. Metrobank, which offer 3.95% interest compounded every 4 months. Options 2. City Trust, which offers 3.90% interest compounded every 3 months. Which bank should Farida choose? Show your workings and give reason for your decision. I started with Metrobank. The annual interest rate is 3.95% compounded every 4 months, which gives 3 compounding periods per year and 15 periods in 5 years. The calculation is S equal to 16,000, open blanket, 1 plus 0.0395 per 3, close blanket, to the power of 3 multiply 5. So we will get S equal to 19,468 ringgit and 54 cents. Then, I found the interest earned by using the formula interest equal to S minus P. Interest equal to 19,468 ringgit and 54 cents minus 16,000. We will get interest 3,468 ringgit and 54 cents. Next, I'll calculate City Trust return. The annual rate is 3.90% compounded every 3 months, which means 4 periods per year and 20 periods in 5 years. The calculation is S equal to 16,000, open blanket, 1 plus 0.0390 per 4, close blanket, to the power of 4 multiply 5. So we'll get S equal to 19,426 ringgit and 62 cents. So we will find the interest earned by using the formula interest equal to S minus P. Interest equal to 19,426 ringgit and 62 cents minus 19,000. So we will get interest equal to 3,426 ringgit 62 cents. After comparing both options, I think Farida should choose option 1, which is Metrobank, because Metrobank still provide higher return over 5-year period, even the difference in interest rate is small.
Question 2. Let me start by reading the question. 5 years ago, Johan deposited an amount as in an account that paid interest of 5.5% compound monthly. Today, he plans to add 2,500 ringgit into the same account. If the accumulated amount in the account 3 years from now is 23,119 ringgit and 29 cents, find the amount of the initial deposit adds and also the interest earned by Johan. We need to find two things, the initial deposit adds and the total interest earned. We begin with the total amount that Johan will have 3 years from now, which is 23,119 ringgit and 29 cents. Using the compound interest formula, S1 equals to P new, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, raised to the power of 12 times the number of years. We move backwards for 3 years. After calculate, we get 90,604 ringgit and 50 cents. This is the amount in the account before adding the 2,500 ringgit. Since Johan will add 2,500 ringgit today, we subtract the amount, 70,104 ringgit and 50 cents. This is the balance today before the new deposit. Next, we move backwards from today's balance over 5 years. Using the same monthly compound interest formula, after computing, we get the initial deposit add is 13,000 ringgit. To calculate interest, we compare the final amount with the total money Johan actually deposit. Johan deposit 13,000 ringgit initially and 2,500 ringgit today. So total deposit equal 50,500 ringgit. Now we take the future amount, 23,119 ringgit and 29 cents, and subtract both deposit. So the total interest Johan earned is 7,619 ringgit and 29 cents. To summarize, initial deposit adds is 13,000 ringgit and total interest earned is 7,619 ringgit and 29 cents. So that's all for question 2. Thank you.
Question 3.
A. Explain the concept of annuity. B. Give a real-life example where the value of an annuity is used and briefly describe its importance. C. Give a real-life example where the present value of an annuity is applied and briefly describe its importance. Answer A. An annuity is a series of equal payments made at regular time intervals over a set period. The payments can be received either, for example, saving deposits, pensions, and dividends. Another example are loan repayments, rent, and insurance premiums. Answer B. Example. A person deposits a fixed amount of money every month into a savings or investment account, such as saving Rm200 monthly for education or retirement. Importance: the future value of an annuity helps to determine how much the regular deposit will grow by the end of the saving period, including the interest earned. Answer C. Example. The present value of an annuity is used when a person wants to take a loan, such as a car loan, personal loan, or housing loan. The bank uses the present value formula to determine how much money can be borrowed today based on fixed monthly repayments. Importance: the present value of an annuity is important because it tells us the current worth of a series of future payments. This helps borrowers know how much they can afford to borrow and helps lenders calculate a fair loan amount and repayment schedule.
Alright, now let's move on to question 4. Abu buy condominium for 520,000 ringgit. He makes a 50% down payment and finances the balance through a bank for 30 years. A. If the interest rate 3.84% compounded monthly, find the monthly payment that Abu has to make to settle the loan. What is the total interest charge? B. If Abu missed the first 3 payments, how much should he pay on the 4th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? C. Immediately after paying for 28 years, Abu wants to settle the loan in full. How much does he need to pay? For A, we need to find monthly payment and the loan interest charge. So the first thing is I'm going to find the down payment. The formula I use is CP equals to A plus DP. Take 520,000 ringgit equals to A plus 50% DP. In order to find DP, I multiply 520,000 by 50%. After doing the calculation, the result is 78 ringgit. After finding the down payment, I continue to find A using the CP formula. 520,000 equals to A plus 78,000. After calculating on the calculator, I got A equals to 442,000 ringgit. We can find the monthly payment. I use present value formula. 442,000 equals R multiplied by 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I is 0.0384 divided by 12. Close bracket, raised to the power of negative 360 and then all over I. After calculate, I got R equals to Rm 2,069 and 61 cents. We are not done yet because we still need to calculate the interest charge. The formula I use is I equals to Rn minus A. So I equals to 2,069.61 multiplied with 360, then minus 442,000. I got I equals to Rn 303,059.66. So for B, if Abu missed the 3 payment, how much should he pay on the 4th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? So S when N equals to 4. Now let's put the number in. S equal to 2,069 and 61 cents multiply open bracket 1 plus 0.0384 over 12 close bracket and the power of 4 then all over I. After calculate, I got S equals to Rm 8,318 and 26. So for this question, a full loan term is 30 years, which means the total number of monthly payment is 30 years times 12 months equals to 360 months. So the total of monthly payment that he already paid for 28 years times 12 months equals to 336 months. So the remaining number of months he hasn't paid is 360 minus 336 equals to 24 months. So we already got our new N, which is 24 months. And for this question, we are going to use the same formula as we used in the questions A. Do not forget our N now is 24 months, not 360. Now we substitute everything in the formula. After calculating, the amount Abu needs to pay is Rm 47,737 and 75 cents.